Down here at the Kenosha Car Show. Boy, got some beauties here. All right. Look at this with the swivels, the buckets, shifter, console. It's just really nice. Wow. It's nice. Nice.
Finals out.
Hey.
He's got a half mile. That is like maybe a 69 or a 70 over there. That's a nice one.
Yeah, she is nice. This is my third year coming here, second or third year, and
yeah,
it's a really nice show to come to too.
Oh,
so.
it's every car you can ever imagine is going to be here. Just
Right.
be prepared to put a lot of feet steps down while you walk.
Yeah, I parked down here, and I figure I'm gonna walk all the way and walk all the way back, and I'm only gonna pick a few to film though. So
yeah.
you was one of the
Well, thank you.
lucky ones that I was able. I'm like, man, I cannot pass this baby up.
I'll have to make sure I look at your channel in about a week when you got time to edit and post.
Yeah, and then call me. If I don't get it on right away, cause I'm on the classic. I do 2 channels,
Okay.
but on the classics channel, I got like 40 cars to get on there, and I only do 3 a week to give people time to watch the last one.
Sure.
So. But if you call me, then I'll rush yours on up to the top.
I won't rush it.
Yeah, I don't mind, man.
A lot on your plate.
I don't mind.
So
But
you
yeah.
gotta keep the wife happy too.
Oh yeah. She in Chicago right now, so
Is
she's
she?
fine. Yeah,
the
down
weekend?
visiting her mother.
Oh.
She coming back tomorrow, I guess. But no, today. All right, my man. I appreciate you taking out time with
Rob,
me.
thanks so much.
All right, thanks a lot.
Have a nice afternoon.
All right. You're in a good spot too. You ain't around the whole crowd.
The police are not going to worry about anybody parking too close to the corner on a day like this.
Right. So you picked this spot, huh?
It's kind of where they pushed me. They
Oh.
just said, go down the street, make a right, find a spot. So, dumb luck.
All right, you have a good one, Rick. All right. Yeah, some nice ones here. So guys, I'm here at this Kenosha Car Show. Oh man, it's just so many beauties, but I'm looking for Buicks first. But man, it's just some beauties here, So look at that baby there. That baby is just nice. Just nice. Oh, what that is. He's shining. Yes, sir. Some beauties here. And some of these guys, if I miss them, then I'll try to come back and catch them. But that Grand Prix, I just had to get that because you don't see a lot of them. And I'm a 70s guy too, so. Wow, look at this SS El Camino. That baby is nice. Look at that. That El Camino guy. That is nice. I got the other one there. Ooh, look at that baby. I love that color. That's the color my Wildcat gonna be. Look at that. That baby is clean. She is nice. Wow. Look at that. Oh, here we go. He's not by his car. Stage 1. Whew. Look at that baby there. Look at the interior in that one, guys. Look at the interior in this one, guys. That baby really, really look nice. Look at that baby. Yes, sir. She looks good, guys. Nobody sitting by the car though. So I want to start on this end, then I want to walk my way down.
Working on that. And last year, it's about 6 weeks.
All right, so this is the beginning of it.
Yeah.
I want to go down and look at this Impala here. The Impala really looks nice. I'll film this guy if I can. Pickup looking good. Look at this Impala.
How are you? Good, good. All done? No, we haven't.
That's nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That baby's nice. Wow. I wonder if that's this guy's here. Chevelle Nova. Man, hopefully this guy is back by his Buick.
No, I didn't say that.
Where's this guy at?
I like it.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, how you doing? Hey!
You're the YouTube guy.
Yeah! How you doing?
Brother?
All right, how you been?
It's been a while.
Yeah, I be buzzing around trying to get to your beer. So where your car at?
Right there.
This is yours too?
I had the Buick. You did a whole
I
thing
know,
on my
I know.
Buick.
So you got this too?
Yes, sir.
All right, well you want to put this one? I do a classics channel now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Trans Am, guys. I want to walk this whole thing if I can. Look at that baby there, Ford Deluxe. That's just nice. Do not touch. Charger. I haven't got enough of them on the channel. Super Fury. I've never heard of that before. Super Fury. Wow. I've never seen.
I don't think there's a lot of.
What is this? This is a Plymouth. Well, it's got the Buick trim on this. That's Buick, ain't it? Did they copy? Well, I did this one last year. I see he's parked down this way. Yeah. Hey, how you doing, my man? I don't know. You remember me from last year?
Yes, I do. We were parked up that way.
Did you see the video?
Yes, I did. You did a good job.
All right. No, you did a good job. I'm just the man holding the camera.
Well,
Yeah.
we even picked up an award.
Oh, really? Okay. Wow. $19.40 Nash, guys. My dad's name. Trans Am. Let me stop and make sure my camera's.
Alright, man, we're gonna keep on moving.
You keep moving. You keep moving.
I'm gonna try to keep
You keep
moving.
moving.
What's up,
what you
man?
got here today?
Number the same old thing, man.
Man,
Them two Buicks down there by
I know,
fence.
I know.
That's it.
Did you see them when I put them on the channel?
You gotta put some more on there.
You don't remember, do you?
Last year.
The year before, I think, when I
No,
actually got
last year when you did the one on the blue car.
Oh, okay.
What's
yeah.
up?
Yeah, I know I got both of them on there.
How you be, man?
All right.
Well, you know, living.
I knew you'd
Well,
be here.
maybe I'll catch you back down there. We'll go through it again.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
Hey,
all
how you
right.
doing? All right.
Downtown is cool on the choose from. Yeah.
Well, I did this one before. Yeah, I did that, baby.
It's all about the Nitty Gritty, ladies and gentlemen.
My God, look at that baby there, guys. Woo. Look at that baby. Wow. That Cadillac is clean. Woo. Bel Air. Oh, Nomad. Nomad. Oh, that baby is nice. That Nomad look good, boy. He got a supercharger in there too. Woo. Yeah. That baby looking good. Wow, there's so many to see. Oh, look at him rolling through with his caddy. Patina. Different rims on there. Pickup look nice. GTO, guys. How you doing?
I hope you know him.
No, he don't know.
I love his hand.
He's seen what I'm doing here. I do a YouTube channel. All things Buick, all things classic. And interview guys. What y'all got here? These two here? Oh, that. Woo. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I parked with the rest of it.
I was looking at her.
I parked with the rest of the guys.
Oh, she looks good. She looks good. So, hey, man, look like, can you get around? You all right?
Oh yeah.
Well, see, I like to get the walk arounds. We ain't writing music. I like to do walk around, like asking questions and have the guys open the hood, the doors, tell me about the car.
Well, you don't want to open those doors. The motor's dirty.
Don't matter.
Yeah.
Don't matter.
The only difference, like, the truck is dirty too.
Cause next time I see it, you might have it done up. Then I get to do you again.
Well, you want me to walk around her?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you your first name. That's all I'm gonna need.
Pat.
Once the camera's rolling. Most guys, they'll tell me their full name though. So I said most guys. No, most guys when I tell them first name, a lot of times they'll give me their first and last name out of habit. But all I need is your first name.
No, I quit doing habits when I left the monastery.
Oh, well, that's good. What year was that? Come on, come on.
Okay. First thing's fast.
I'm gonna ask you, I need it for the camera. I need it for the camera because once I get home, I ain't gonna remember your name with the truck. I'm not that, my mind don't work like that. I don't know.
What do you want?
On that baby there, got the wood grain in it. That's nice. That is nice. Oh, roaster. Baby there. Oh, vet over there. Sedan DeVille. John and all the guys, they're in the same spot. One of the first cars I put on my show right here, guys. First ones I put on the...
What did he have, discs fused or something?
owner still around? The owner still around? Is the owner still around?
That's him right there.
Oh, there he is. How you doing? You remember me? Huh?
Oh, you were doing video.
You were one of the first cars I put on my YouTube channel back when I first started.
Yeah, I remember you.
First car I ever got on there.
Still driving the truck?
I'm still driving the semi. Yeah, still doing the same thing. Well, I'm glad to see you still out here. Man, it's a beauty. You know, since then I done seen a couple of cars with electric windows and stuff, like how you did it. First one I ever seen though like that. So, you keeping her up though, huh? I got you. Yeah, yeah. All right, I just wanted to holler at you real quick. All right, thanks a lot. Huh? I'm doing it with the walk around this time. Then, you know, I do the interview separately on here. All right. John, you know I cannot go by without saying hi.
One of
You know,
your 70 fronts.
You know I cannot.
Hey, how you doing?
You know I cannot go by without saying hi.
Get your car yet?
No, I ain't finished it. It's been a rough year.
Keep telling me you're gonna finish it, but I never see it.
It's coming.
What year was it?
I got 70 Wildcat, got 77 Regal. I got quite a few. None of them finished yet. The Wildcat is close. When I leave here, I'm actually gonna work on it when I get home. It's customized though. See, you got some rims for sale.
No, I ain't. He does.
He does? Oh, okay.
That's a good price he's asking.
I got you. So what, he must have the black one.
You do.
I never got you on the channel yet. It's your turn.
I'm camera shy.
No, don't worry. The camera ain't shy of you.
I am. Thank you, but no thanks.
All right, well, take a card anyway.
All
Man,
right.
I done got almost everybody but you.
I know.
Mine again?
Huh?
You gotta do mine again?
Yeah.
I
He's
have my
not shy.
boys stand in front of it.
Huh? You have your son do it?
Yeah, I'll let my boys do it. They don't know nothing about it. They know where the gas pedal is and the key is.
Well, that's the good thing.
That's all they know.
Just get in and
They
then...
know how to get gas in it because they got my wallet.
I got you on here though.
I know.
All right. All right.
Every once in a while I tell somebody, I know you. Sometimes. You do. How do I know you? You're on YouTube.
Oh, really? A lot of people tell me, say, yeah, people know me from the YouTube channel. So, all right. Well, that's a good thing then.
Yeah, no, I
Did you see there was one on like mine?
driving them, I panic.
Oh, yeah.
Me comes like her.
Yeah.
Exactly the same.
Exactly the same thing. Right.
You don't mind getting all
Then I got the try
I know I'm the one that
3 rings.
Right.
dinging it or something. So
Are you
I'm
the
like,
There was one that just sold on Bear Jacks about 3 months ago.
Okay.
302,000. My wife was, is that worth it? We can get our lake property. We can get some lake property up north.
Ain't worth it to you, not just yet, is
No,
it?
I'd sell that tomorrow and I'd give them a couple of my kids.
Oh, okay, I got you.
But I said, yeah, my car's not worth that. But I says, if I can find the same 2 stupid people that were bidding against each other and some of the other ones great,
You never know what they'll go for. They rare though. They rare. Cause yours got 2 carbs on it too, right?
yeah, it's no carbs.
Yeah, that's rare.
There's only 3,500 GS on
Yeah, but with the dual carbs, how many of them?
3,500 GS.
35. Okay, with all the GSs had the dual carbs then.
they're definitely nice.
You saying all the GSs had the dual carbs?
Yeah.
Oh really? I didn't know that.
The even Paulie, the guy with the blue car.
Yeah.
We're not doing no interviews. Let's not do that. You are.
I'm recording. That's why I'm trying to stand back a little bit. That's information. That's information. I didn't know that though. That all the GSs had the dual carbs.
Yeah.
So it ain't that many of them left yet either.
Yeah. Well, anyway, getting back to that thing.
Right.
My wife says, "Is that car worth that?" And I goes, "Well, yeah, if I find those sitting 2 stoops, you know." I said,
Right.
"But, I mean, it raises ours a couple of grand."
Oh yeah.
That was 2 people bidding it that had $10 million apiece. That's what that was.
They probably was
Neither
overseas
one-
too.
That car wasn't worth anything near that. I said, "You had 2 stupid." So.
Yeah. Well, they probably overseas. Oil barons, you know. So,
Yeah, it was just,
you know what? Actually, a lot of guys, if you go to the right broker and you sell them overseas, you'll get a lot more money for them selling overseas. Wow, look at that Grand Sport, guys. Look at that. Grand National. What I'm saying, Grand Sport. Grand National, guys. Wow.
That's like
Yeah, this Wildcat is always a beauty to see. Yeah. He drive that car everywhere too. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Well, I see the show just keep getting bigger and bigger. The Skylark. Oh, that's a beauty there. That is a beauty. Anybody belong to the Skylark?
Right here. You got a Skylark?
Just the. Is that your Skylark? Just the man I've been looking for.
What do you need? What do you need? I got a hell of a deal for you.
for sale. Brand new transmission, brand new engine.
Oh, look, the wife always trying to sell something, ain't she?
Why did you jump up so fast?
Well, what can I do for you?
Oh, I like to do walkarounds with guys with our classic cars. I'm looking for mostly Buicks.
Yeah, you're my friend. You're my kind of guy.
So I like to get you on the channel.
Where are you from?
I'm from Racine.
Okay.
But I film a lot of guys. I just went back to the Buicks. You know, that's where Buick started in Flint.
Right? Yeah, we're
Yeah,
here in
yeah.
Flint.
We were
So-
there for their anniversary.
100th anniversary?
Oh, really?
2 years ago.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
21, because Alyssa was a year
Yeah. I had a 67 GS then I took down there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I interviewed Denny Manners like 4 times, man. I love seeing Denny's. Tell me you don't know who he is.
He's telling you that. Look, she's got that video going.
Oh, yeah, this one is going right now. This one is...
Is my hair combed all right?
Look,
guys
look.
had all the Buicks that at
Grand National.
Grand National.
No, but Denny's is the guy, he was the head engineer that created all the GS and the engines and stuff. So to me, he's like Michael Jordan or Shaq, or he's my Michael Jordan, Denny Manners. So I put Denny's, when I look up to people, I look up to Denny's because, yeah, he's the head engineer. So I got to know him pretty good, yeah.
You got a couple of Buicks?
I got some that I'm building. I do that on the Buick channel too. I show myself doing paint, interior, all of that. But I like to do walk around interviewing guys.
Good.
But you gotta get up though. Can you get up and come on over?
I want to know how your dog's doing on the honey.
Never started.
So come on over. Hey, how you doing? All right.
good.
All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stand you in front of the car. I'm gonna ask you, all I need is your first name.
Butch.
All right.
My name is Austin, but everybody calls me
Whatever
Butch.
you want to be known as, because I was just talking to the guys down here with the Riviera.
Yeah, they always come every year.
Yeah, they be here every year, and I done filmed him like, this will be my 4th time filming him. But he told me, said, people come up to me like, I know who you are. He said, how you know me? Oh, I seen you on All Things Buick. So he said he's an instant.
Where is that at?
It's YouTube.
Oh, YouTube, okay.
YouTube channel, All Things Buick.
Oh, okay.
YouTube, my number is on there. So you're gonna go out now. I'm telling you, people gonna be knowing who you are at the shows. I'm telling you, because a lot of Buick guys, they watch my show.
Well, I have to watch it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I had Buicks. I got 62. I graduated from high school.
Okay, well, hold on. We're going to save it for the video. All right, so I'm going to stay right, but I am going to ask you to open the doors, the trunk, a complete walk around of the car.
Yeah, I got to open the trunk up.
No, I'm going to walk you around the whole thing. Okay. All right? Oh, nice Riviera. Nice Riviera. Snobby, Illinois.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, nice Riviera. Nice Riviera.
How you doing?
All right, how you doing? All right. Yes, sir. Wow. Nice Riviera. Nobody buy their cars today. What are these flying up there? Sound like a killer. Woo! Woo! Oh, big old tires on that baby. I ain't by the Skylark there. Well, you know I gotta come speak to you whenever I see you. Yeah. All right. How you doing?
Nice to see you.
All right. Well, you keep her looking good, don't you?
I'll try.
All right, man. She look nice. You doing any updates to her lately, or what? I know last time I think you say you had to get the tune-up or some.
I had to get tires, I had a battery, and I had to replace like a little regulator or a little guide on that window. It like.
Oh yeah, dropping in.
Yep.
Yeah, little bitty stuff that you have to do though, huh?
For a 52-year-old car, I can.
Yeah, there you go. She's a beauty.
Thank you.
So, did you get this one buffed after, like the first time I seen you?
No,
this is it, huh?
Yeah. I mean,
because it look like it shines more and more every time I see it. Yeah. So what are you, waxing her up good or what?
I use a little bit of waterless car wash on it.
Okay.
Once a year, maybe I'll wash it and wax it.
Wax it, okay. Yeah, she looking good.
And keep it covered and keep the dust off it.
Woo! She looking good, my man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Standing the test of time.
Yeah.
All right,
so
good
much.
seeing you.
You too.
All right. I'm gonna have you on the walk. I'm walking through right now, showing everybody, talking to everybody. All right, have a good one. Yeah, look at that Riviera guy. Yeah, she looking good. Yes, sir. Yeah, she looking good, guys. Oh, look at the Deuce boys over there. I'm gonna go up and come back down. I did this one last year. That Cadillac. Yeah, I mean that Lincoln. I did the Lincoln last year. I did these last year. Look at those. Yes, sir. sir. Some of the first ones I put on the Classic channel right here. Hello, John. John, baby, always look good. I see you keeping her looking good, John.
I'm trying.
How you doing? All right, all right. Yeah. I'm filming now, John, so I'm filming now. Yeah, I got it. You keeping her up, John? Excuse me, I don't mean to.
That's okay.
Yeah, do a YouTube channel. Yeah, well, you know, Buick Bob is the guy that sells the parts.
Yeah.
I'm just a YouTube guy. I'm just a friend. But my name is Rob, though.
Right,
but yeah,
Rob.
Yeah, I just seen you. I'm walking through, just filming everything right now.
I thought maybe you were going to fix my hood for me.
What's wrong with the hood? The hinge?
Falling down.
Huh?
Falling down.
That means one of the hinges, the springs are getting weak.
Well, I'm not going by no hinges.
Buick Bob, he probably got them cheap.
$850.
He probably got them cheap. Buick Bob. Huh?
I'm going to try to get his justice first.
Well, you just think it's the springs?
Yeah, that's what I just told him, the springs.
You can probably get those. You can probably.
They'll drop down in the back.
Oh, back there. Oh, open it back up. You might just need to adjust these,
that, yeah.
these things on the back. John, you missing these.
The stoppers.
I thought, oh, here. Where they at?
There should be, yeah. They're just worn out, maybe, right here. I think you're right. I think it's this right here.
These stoppers.
Yeah. Yeah. You can
Just
adjust them.
go to
Sometimes
year.
adjustables, or you can get new stoppers.
Go to year one.
Yeah.
Or else original part group.
Okay.
That can't be no more than $15. What?
Filming there, and you couldn't afford me alone.
Hey, come on, John. I just helped you out. It looked like it's 3 of them on here too, though.
Yeah, in the middle there, yeah.
Yeah, it's 3 of them. Yeah, those help.
Yeah.
Those are adjustments, just like in the front. That's what these
Yeah,
are.
them won't turn for. I don't know if you got to have a special wrench or something.
Yeah. So if nothing else, if
Well, look at that. Well, look at that. Just look at this one. That one's way up, and this one's way down.
yeah, that's to get the adjustment.
Right.
Okay. Yeah.
And see, if you cheat, John, shh, don't tell nobody. Just put you a towel across there.
A what?
A towel. Just roll a towel up and put it across there. Nobody ever see it. It'll lift
Get
it
a
up.
beach towel and roll it across.
Maybe I'll just put some washers under there to shim it up.
Shim it up.
That's an easy fix, John. If that's all you got to worry about, you good.
Well, it is.
You good. So
You're not going to put me on YouTube, are you?
you're on there
You're
now.
already on there.
You're on there, John. Don't run away, my man.
You're in public space. You're free to be filmed.
Hey, John down there with the Riviera, he was telling me, people be saying, I know you.
John Slater, yeah.
Yeah, with the Riviera, he said, everybody be saying they know him from my YouTube channel.
Right,
So
right. All right, well,
people know who you are, John. All right. Uh-huh. Oh, there you go. All right, nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting you.
All right. All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Ooh, look at this baby here. What's he doing? Wow.
Well, what I did after I put this in,
Look at that.
I realized I can't. I don't.
That's nice the way he got that, guys.
I came up with
I
this.
like that color. Look at that.
And that makes it a little easier to, that way you can see the framework and everything like that.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah, this is
That's nice. Yeah. That's nice.
people would have been
We had him on the channel before. Yes, sir. Look at
We're breathing either. Alright, well then you're just on your own.
What time's the race?
Granville.
That's what I want.
I had him on the channel before. So,
What is that?
it's the camera.
Is that what that is?
YouTube. I do a YouTube channel. All things Buick and all things classic.
On your Kenosha guy.
I'm racing.
Oh, okay.
This you?
Yeah, this is my husband.
Your husband's? You know anything about it?
Well, it's a 390 engine, a hearse. I saw it right there, so it's a